Are you ready to go shopping?
Yes, I have the list. Let's go inside.
Welcome to the supermarket.
First, we need to get some bread and milk.
Okay, the bread is in aisle 3.
This bread looks fresh. I'll take this one.
Good choice. Now let's find the milk. We need 2 liters of milk.
Got it. This is 2 liters. Do we need vegetables?
Yes, let's get some tomatoes and lettuce.
Hello, did you find everything you need?
Yes, thank you. We found everything.
That will be $25, please.
Here you are.
That was quick. We got everything we needed.
Yes, now let's go home and make lunch.